Hi, welcome to this new quickie. In this quickie, I have a big disclaimer first, which is this is not a Git tutorial, so I assume you have basic Git knowledge, and also we might use bunch of aliases, so I assume you know some basic shell and Git comments also. So with this out, let's get started. So in this quickie, we will talk a little bit about something very important, which is head and ref log. Many of us knows the git log, right? Here's the git log, the log, and you can make it like have many. You can make it a little bit concise like this. You can make it a little bit verbose. You can even log all other branches, not just the master branch log, like this. You can see the history of all other things, but no, most of us don't use the ref log, and I used to do this also. I thought that ref log is just an internal Git thing that Git themselves, the maintainers of Git and developers of Git, just use it as an internal thing to debug or something. Just their internal log, like when you have a project and you log the internal things, and if you wanna debug or trace a bug, you use it. I didn't think that it's actually very useful for end users that uses Git as a version control tool. So it turns out to be very important. But before we go to this git ref log thing, we need to know about the head. What is the head? So I assume you know a little bit about Git. So if we have a git log that looks like this, let's actually clean it a little bit. Let's use the one line option. So here we have actually let's use one line and all. Yes, this is the thing that I wanted. Git log one line all. Okay. So here we can see that the head is here and the master is here. They are sitting in this specific commit, and the production branch is here, and the remote production branch also sitting here, and the remote master branch is sitting with the master branch here. So I assume that you know a little bit about the branches and maybe a little bit about the tags, maybe, but maybe you don't know what actually head is. Basically, head is just this small thing. It's just a pointer. It's actually a pointer. And I know that you might not trust me. I'm just a random guy shooting a video. So let's prove it to you. So let's go inside the Git folder itself. So let's cd inside the Git folder. And inside the Git folder, we have a file called head. Let's get the contents of this head file. It doesn't have anything else but this line. This is the whole content of it. Period. It says refs head master. Nothing else. So it's just a pointer that currently points to master, to a master reference. It's a pointer. And why it's useful? Now we know it's a pointer. It's actually very useful. First, it tells you where is your live working tree now, where is your actual directory at right now, like those current version of files. This current project is on what commit, is on what branch right now. You can know by using the log. Head now points to master. This means that currently your project is on the current master version. So Head is a pointer, so it's easy to move it. Let's play it with it a little bit. Let's go to the production. So all we need to change the head location is to use a switch command or a checkout command. So let's check out to the production branch. We are now switched. Let's see the log. Now the head moved. The head was here, pointing to the master. Now it moved. Let's see. Was in this commit EC30, EC30. Now he moved up because we went to the production, which is ahead of master. Let's go backward. Maybe go to this tag, and head is very flexible. You can go to a commit, you can go to a tag, you can go to a branch. It's very easy. You can go even to a commit that is outside your current branch. It's a pointer and you move it, and whenever you move it, your working tree moves with it. Okay, nice. So this is the basic things about head. So let's go to this version. So I take it, I check out to this version. Okay, we are now detached. So the head is now pointing at this location, which is a tag, not a branch. So it says we are detached, we are not in a branch. So let's see the log also, right? Here we see that head, yes, it's detached, it's not pointing to a branch, but we moved it all the way from here, from this commit and this branch to this specific commit, which is version 1622. Great, which is continue hotfix, fix the test workflow dependency, and lend comment. Okay, the CI/CD fix. Nice. So we now know the head. I think this is enough for this quickie. The next quickies will be about the ref log. See you in the next quickies. Goodbye.